Hi guys, welcome to the Home Built YouTube channel. You're here watching this video because you've probably bought one of your decals, and for that we can't thank you enough. Every time you purchase one of your decals or anything from yourhomebuilt.com, it goes straight to supporting your channel. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to show you how to fit the decals. First thing we need to do, you can't install it on a dirty car, so we need to get this washed. Guys, now that you've got your car cleaned, you want to dry off the area where you're going to be applying the sticker. And next you're going to want normally some kind of alcohol wipe or something to clean the area. There's plenty of that kicking about now. So a little bit of alcohol just on the area where you want the sticker to go. Make sure it's 100% dry. Okay, when you're peeling the backing off, you want to leave the decal on the transfer paper. And the best way I've found of doing that is to roll it off at as tight an angle as you possibly can. So once you get it started, we'll let the guy in the scooter go past. Once you get it started and your decal's on there, just keep it folded back as tight as you can and roll the backing paper off of the transfer paper. And then when you're applying it to the car, you can mask it up, you can measure it, you can get a ruler, you can use the lines on the back window. It depends where you're putting it, what kind of angle you want to put it at. That's entirely up to you. I'm going to line it up with the back brake light, hopefully in as close to the centre as I possibly can. Lay it down on the side and then just press it down across. Make sure you apply some good pressure, make sure it's well adhered, and then at the same sort of angle we're just going to roll the transfer paper off. And there we go. Your decal's applied. Once again guys, I hope that helps. Thanks again for visiting yourhomebuilt.com and helping support the channel. We really appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, check it out. We've got some great builds going on. We've got the Lupo, we've got the Alpha, we've got a Mini coming, supercharged Mini, possibly an RX-8, loads to come. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure the notification bell's on so you won't miss out on any future content. Thanks again.